Welcome again. Hi, I am Anuj. Welcome to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. If you are visiting first time to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, then please do subscribe over here and keep your bell notification button on so as not to miss out any of the new upload on how to grow. Watch the video till the end. And if you find this video interesting and useful, then give me a like. Also share it with the like-minded people. Express your view in a comment box and feel free to give any suggestions to improve. Let's watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Now we will see this is our fruit orchard of mango and lychee. We have planted a coconut tree every 20 feet. In between the lines, a lychee tree at 10 feet each, and between the coconut we have planted mango plants. Between all the major tree we have intercropped with the vegetables. Now we'll see one by one the vegetables. This is the brinjal. Brinjal we have taken into relay cropping. Originally here it was a cauliflower. You can see some cauliflower leftover is there, and we have relay crop it with the brinjal. Now brinjal also started flowering, and you can see it has already started setting the fruits. So you can see the fruit. We'll see how to prune the brinjal in a separate video. I will show you. But first I will show you my other crop. Now this is a garlic. This is a garlic bed. Now these are the cherry tomato. Due to the time availability we could not able to trellis it. So it is on the ground only. After this there is another line of cauliflower which is almost over, so we will plant it something else in a couple of days. These are the cherry tomatoes. These are trellised. Then you can see the cherry tomato are in a bloom. I will move this side. Now after this cherry tomato line, this is a regular tomato, and you can see the lot of tomatoes are there on the trellis. It are in a bunch of 4 or 5, and this is how the tomato are ready. After tomato there is a carrot line. These are local variety of carrot, red carrot. Another couple of line of tomato, and you can see the tomato is hanging. After tomato we have planted a beetroot over here. So this is the beetroot. Then we have a 2 garlic bed. This is again the carrot. Now carrot is also ready for harvest. These are again the garlic, again the beetroot, and you can see that beetroots are ready. These are almost ready to harvest. So we'll be harvesting this in a couple of days. Then again with the garlic lines. Then this is the coriander line. Now the coriander is now flowering. We have kept this coriander for the making the seed. Now today we are doing some relay cropping, intercropping. In coriander we are putting some sponge gourd. You can see the sponge gourd plants we are putting in between. This we have prepared in a prote in a separate area, and now we are bringing him to here. So by the time the coriander will ripe, coriander seed will prepare, the plant sponge gourd plant will settle and will trellis on these poles. Now as we move forward, this is another line of garlic. Then this is some radish plants are there. You can see some radishes there. We have kept this for the seed purpose. Now this already have started seeding. These are the radish seed. So we'll take the seeds and then remove the radish and intercrop with this with some bottle gourd. The another line of garlic, some lychee plants, and all the lychee plants we have intercrop with the muskmelon. This is just we have planted. These are the muskmelon we have planted in the empty space. Now this is the onion. These are all the onion lines. This is also onion, and this between these two onion lines we have planted with some watermelon. So onion and watermelon are the friendly crop. So we have planted watermelon in between the onions, so it will mutually support each other. Again the onion line. So this will give us a onion, year-round onion, dry onion. This is the local variety pink onions. After these onions, again there is a one line of the muskmelon. There's a different variety. In that line is a different variety. This line is a different variety. I will post the update for this variety when it fruits. And in the last line, we have some longan tree. So in this orchard, we have a different variety of mango, lychee, and longan, and coconut all together with the vegetables. Thank you.